Right, we've got our first pro stock truck hooking up now.
Pro stock truck class, we're going to make some noise now, folks. These are the fun ones. They'll make your heart beat. They'll make your chest vibrate when they go by. And man, is that spicy cheese nachos.
All right, cheer on your pro stock truck division. This is Ryan Shine.
I don't know, but I would say he wasn't turning all four. Mccloy, Jackie Rosie, Carrie Crawford, Tom Gusty, G-U-I-S-T-E.
All right, Ken Wazinski with the third out of Watford, Pennsylvania. The third truck puts up now, Ken Wazinski. Talk about a good running truck coming up now. Victor Shine with a 1964 Ford. He's coming out of Adamsville, PA. Track official. This is Victor Shine with his truck. 1964 Ford.
Put your hands together for this side.
290.66, 290.66 for Victor Shine. Right there at 22.1 miles per hour, 22.
Looks like SM or maybe SIN.
We're going to see how competitive a performance street truck can be with our pro stock trucks here tonight. We've got the green flag. K.D Electric. Just screaming down the track, 208.98, 208.98.
Yeah, he lost his rear end there about the 150 or 150. They kind of posted pictures and whatnot of the build all winter long. And let me tell you, it's been gone through bumper to bumper, including paint, drop boxes, transfers, engine. I don't know, Brian, was there anything that wasn't rebuilt on that truck? All gone through, bumper to bumper. This is the first run, I think, right?
Working overtime.
No problem in the motor yet. So you can use another tooth on the gear, but a good run.
good to run a truck here. Also an experienced driver behind the wheel. That's our sled operator there. The green flag. Dave Lights with this truck. Forward power here. Right up there with the Pro Stock, 254.39, 254.39. All right, another Performance Street truck hooking up Justin Rhodes with It's Good to Have a Goal. All right, Justin Rhodes, It's Good to Have a Goal, a Performance Street truck. He's coming up a little short, 240.80, 240.80. Not a bad run though. Outlaws Pulling Series. You can check out all their events on Facebook. You can see this truck pull again. This is Blue Past You, Tracy Troy, Chevrolet Power. Look at that, 277.83 for the Blue Past You truck. That's Chevrolet Power on the track here tonight. All right, this is the third. How about that? 258.27, 258.27. We'd also like to thank the Franklin Oil Region Credit Union, Robert Sportsman's Club, G&K Designs, Gauge Truck and Tire Service, Gary Jackson, Insurance Agent, Great Eastern Cutter League,